Yeah. Good. Yeah.
Do you remember how this kind of program works?
Yes,
I
sir.
hope you read the question very well. It has to be inside a while through loop. So you have only started, this is the first part of it. So you now need to do the while through loop so that before you can proceed. If you don't remember how it looks, go back and look at the ones the one that we did that had it. I think it was so it wasn't it wasn't too long ago that we did it when when we were talking about match case statements.
Yeah. What? Good.
You want to just try it by yourself.
Yes.
Okay.
Menu. Menu.
No, not menu again now. It's the match that you do now. It's the match case you have to do, not menu again.
Am I not meant to tell them?
That one
Yeah.
will come later, not now. It's not the first thing. Do you understand? This first one that you have done is no. I did say you should delete the while loop. That menu that you're typing, that's what I say you should not type there. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to start the match case at that point. You understand what I'm trying to say, right?
No.
The match statement now, the match statement that will implement this menu for you. That's what you are supposed to do. You're not moving quickly. Are you sure you remember how to do this thing?
Yes. You type one to use the power method accelerator. Yeah. Great. So, do we use the float method or the bool method?
Which one is float method again?
Like float input.
Input. Okay. No, it's not float input now. You're
I
talking
believe.
about the file method, right? Is it not the file method you're talking about?
Yes.
So If you use float, then that means you are giving them more options. Maybe they can use something like 3.5 or 3 point something. Why did you remove the float?
Oh,
What happened now?
well,
What did you guys do?
it says the B is wrong.
It's not the B that is wrong. It's you hit enter twice or something. I don't know what happened. Okay. You see, I told you you are not using this thing correctly. Match case. You didn't use your case statements and all those things. How do you want it to work? Go and look at the code that you have done before and you'll be more confident.
Sorry. I forgot to. So is this how to print both things?
Is that how to print what?
Like two things.
Why are you printing them?
Is that not what we do when you usually use it?
You don't need to
Then we
print
put.
them. Why are you printing them? You don't need to, it's the answer that you want to print. But you've not even calculated anything yet now. Okay. Oh God. You've already messed this thing up.
Oh, sorry.
This thing is not supposed to execute until you are done with the whole thing. Now, no, you've not finished now. You've not even called the function. Where did you call the function? You are not done with case one. Call the function and put the answer inside the variable, then print the answer. You understand what I'm saying? Simeon, Simeon, are you there? Hello? Simeon, can you hear me? Simeon, can you hear me now? Your mic is mute.
Sorry, my Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi stopped working.
I see. I said before it went off, I said you've not calculated you've not even called the function. So you need to call the function, put the answer inside the variable, and then print the answer before you go to case two.
Yeah, I don't get what you mean.
You don't get what I mean. Why you are not following what I was doing in the last class?
I was.
Uh-huh. So just do what we did in the last class now. When you want to call a function, you use a variable. You can call the variable anything you want. Then you now put your assignment operator, the name of the method. That was not the last class now. You've not seen the this thing that we did on maths. Simeon, have you not seen what you need to do?
No. There's no here.
What is not there?
Too much.
But Simeon, you opened it now. Why are you now saying that you didn't see? You are not looking at what you are doing? You opened a file called Introduction to Math Methods. You did not see all those things that you needed there. I didn't say match. I said math methods. Is it not the math method that you want to call? Eh? These are the methods, but I think the one that I don't know if that match that PAL can be called without the um the module being added.
So X X equals power.
Really? Did you see anything like that? X assignment operator power in that code that you just saw now? Hmm?
That
Okay, fine. Go ahead. That one does not need math. Oh, yeah, go ahead. You would have just minimized it because you still open. You are not done now, Oga. You forgotten what you wanted to do now. Now, go ahead with your POW now. Go ahead.
I should open the file.
POW, POW, POW. POW.
Can I repeat that?
What you typed before the POW, go ahead and type it and put in the things you need to put.
Is that what did what should I put?
But Simeon, you just use a variable to collect base and then another variable called power to collect the power. Those are the things you are supposed to use now. Just type the variable names there, base and power, finish. Did you call the variable name pow or power? Pow is the name of a function, not your variable name. Now you can now print X. If you don't print X, how will we know the answer? You have to print X. Now for that case two, I don't know if that one, case two is what? To use the SQRT method. I think the SQRT method needs the math module. So you might need to import the math module at a point.
Yeah.
And I think it's okay because as it is now, I don't think you did this thing. You um I don't think you did it at the beginning of the program. Yeah, SQRT. You are still doing the same thing you did the first time. I told you don't need to print what you just collected from the user. It's the answer we want to see, but you've not even calculated the answer. You have to calculate that answer first by calling the function. And SQRT is in the math module. I don't see where you imported it, so you may have to import it there before you use it. Try typing math.sqrt. Let's see if it will show there by itself. Okay. So that's good. That means this IDLE shell helps you to import it by default. Okay, go ahead. So square root of what? You now put it in its bracket and quickly go to print the answer.
What do I put inside of it?
Simeon, this question that you're asking me is disturbing. Oh. You ask the user for uh, 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 in the case of base and power. So whatever you collected from the user, that's what you will put there. So blank, but you don't have any variable that is collecting the answer. So what are you going to print? You have to put a variable there in front of the math.sqrt, just like you did with X assignment operator. No, don't call, you confuse yourself. Don't call a variable the same name as a function. It will mess things up for you. Just try and keep it, yes, square, SQ, I don't know how, or just make it to be different. No, that you print, you can print now. You can print that square now. I don't know why you want to call it square, but you've already called it what you wanted to call it. Okay. You can now go to case 3. Case 3 is factorial.
Yeah.
You can reuse normal if you want. Instead
Oh,
of saying norms again, you can reuse it. After that case 2, norm ceases to exist. I think it doesn't, it's a scope thing.
and uh, yeah.
Uh, don't forget to print it. Don't forget to print it.
Yeah, sir.
No. Uh-huh.
Sir,
Yes.
I'm going on school break next week.
You're going on
After
what?
next week, on school break,
School break.
Christmas break.
After next week.
Yeah, for 2 weeks.
Before the new year.
Yeah.
I see.
55.
No, we're not doing that. We're not doing the normal method that you know. It's the math method we're calling. Do you understand?
What do I put for this one?
The method is there now. I think it's the mod method, MOD. So you look for mod there.
Modify this one.
I don't know. I don't think it's mod F. There's there no other one there?
No.
Wait, did we not do the this thing method, the modulus method in the last class?
No.
Didn't we? I go
I don't
back
think
and
so.
check that code. I think we did it. So it might just be that we did not need to call the math this thing for it.
What was it called?
Eh?
What was it called?
No, the same one that you opened now, Introduction to Math Methods or Introduction to Python Math.
Wrong one.
It's not here. It's not here. Try the other one that you opened after this. I think that one is more, that one has more stuff than this. Okay, that's it. So it was not called mod. It's remainder that it was called. Remainder after division. That's the name. So
What do
that
I
x
put?
there is the numerator. Just you can tell now. The first one is the numerator, and then the second one is the denominator. The y is the denominator. Now be careful that to call it the same name as you called your variables. Uh-huh.
Use the minimum. Now, please, can I go to the toilet?
Finish this one, and you can go. When you finish this one, you can go.
Please, is this class a 2 hours class?
You said what?
Is this class a 2 hours class?
It wasn't supposed to be 2 hours. You're the one that made it 2 hours. If we had done
So
our
it
class on
is.
Tuesday, it wouldn't have been a 2 hours class.
So it is a 2 hours class.
And that's what it means. What happened there?
I simply type Control C instead of Control V.
Uh, well, you have to be careful this time. Okay. You can you. I'm sure you remember how mean was called. I don't think you see mean there. Mean was not under math method. It was just on its own, just like power. So just type mean there and it will respond. Don't need to put math in front.
Mean, mean,
Open your parentheses now. So you now put the three numbers, num1, num2, num3.
so can I go now?
You can go. So case 6 will be a repeat of case 5, but it's only for marks. That's the only difference. You can go now. When you come back, you complete it. Complete 6 and 7.
Yes. That is on his way just enough. What? For one. Hello, sir.
Yes,
I'm Mark, sir.
go ahead.
Oh, wait. Sir, they're the same thing. Oh no, this one is using. Oh, okay.
One
No,
is
no,
minimum, the other one is
that is
maximum.
maximum. Maximum. Is able to any program. Right. What should I put for this one? Exiting
You've forgotten how to end the program. But yes, eh? Exiting the program. And
then
what are you
break.
supposed to do next? You need another case for the default one. No, that's not. It's only one you need now. You put two.
Yeah, I put one. Oh, and do I paste this again?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
do I paste it after it?
Yes. But it has to line up with match because it's a statement on its own under um
Yeah.
under the while through.
Okay.
So that one is now testing the first one that you entered. So go ahead and enter a base and please use numbers that you can test. You know when the
Three?
answer is correct or not.
Three? So it's still good.
It's good now. Go ahead.
Enter power 4. Okay. So,
3 raised to power 4, is it 81? That's the question you ask yourself. Is there any
yeah,
way you can?
yeah, it's 81.
Uh-huh. Okay. So
Enter number for squad 8.
what happened?
Did you forget to import math?
Say it's not. Ah. I think that was what happened back then. But it was giving us the method now. I don't know. This thing is could be a bit confusing. It was showing us the
Usually.
method. So I think to be on the safe side, that import match should be the first thing, the first statement you should put there. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So
Stop.
so I would advise that you type it first before you start copying and pasting. Have you done that?
Im- import math.
Uh-huh. Yes. Yeah, you can now do that. Uh-huh.
One, two.
Okay. 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 All right. Uh-huh. Okay.
Mm,
Okay. What happened?
Float.
En-
It's float.
Enter a whole number for factorial.
They
What does
said
it mean?
float cannot be used as an integer.
Oh, okay.
I'll
Okay. It
write
was
it again.
expecting it was expecting an integer, and then you went and used float. I think that's that was the problem.
Yes, sir, it is
So
the
you have
problem.
to be careful this time. Oh. It's not everything that you will do float for. That's just what it
Yes,
is.
sir. Yes, sir. Do this. Here we go. I just have to look at everything. So for the third one, remove floats. Float int. Okay. 3, 4, number 2, 8, number 3, 6,
Okay.
number 4, and then the numerator 5, 3, verse 1,
Okay.
5, and that's verse number 3, 4.
Hold on. That remainder, why is it saying -1? You didn't wonder why it's saying that. 4 is supposed to be
It's
the
because I
modular
put,
product.
I put 5 over 3.
Uh-huh.
The, the denominator should be higher than the numerator.
No, is it? I'm just curious, Sha. Why should it be showing minus? Not supposed to show minus. It's not supposed to show minus. Something, I'm not so sure. Anyway, continue testing. Continue the testing.
Okay. Take it. And then 7. Yeah. Okay, so
You said existing the program. Anyway, that one is just typographical error. There's no problem. So I think you should save this file as homework file, Python homework. What number did I use there? Check your phone
45.
for the distance and then
45.
save it then. 45. Okay, then open a new one. Let's
No, 44,
quickly.
44.
Was it 44?
Wait. Let me
Confirm.
see.
Oh.
Yes, 44.
Okay.
But here we've already done it.
We've already done 44. Okay. No, no. You are replacing. Don't replace. So
Oh,
just put. Okay, you know what? Put it as 45. I think I know why. You know that last one, I did not put any number on it.
oh, okay, okay,
So
sir.
that's probably why it's now. So I think I didn't count. I miscounted. Okay, so the next one should be 46. I'll take note of that. Okay, so you can You did not say anything about what it's about. Okay, no problem. You
Oh,
can find out that of your WhatsApp. Okay, so today I just want to quickly introduce something. Um, it's called regular expression in Python. So regular expressions help us to check when a string meets certain conditions or not. Okay, so just
mm,
remember what I said. Regular expressions in any, and it's not just Python, but in any programming language, they help us to check if a string meets a certain criteria or not. For instance, you might want to say, okay, you are expecting the user to type something in a certain way. For instance, you can say a string that starts with you want the user to type something in a particular way, like my name is my name is Simeon, and I am, you understand, just in a particular way. You want to be specific about something, so you can um you can you can say, for instance, how you will check so the user can enter anything they like. But if they don't enter it the way you want it, then you tell them, you can send them a message or something. But then the whole idea is that what you can specify how you want your strings to be. You understand what I'm trying to say?
yes, sir.
Okay. So for instance, um today is what? Today is Thursday, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's pretend that you want the user to type something that looks like that. Today is Thursday. A string that starts with today and ends with Thursday, something simple like that. Let's just start from there. So for us to do that, we have to import a module called RE. And I'm sure you can guess what the RE is for. What's the RE
Yes, sir.
for?
RE.
Yes. What's it for? Based on
What do you
what
mean
I
by
said.
RE?
The name of the module is RE. I now said I'm sure you can guess what the RE stands for based on what I just said now.
Uh,
What did I say I want to introduce? What topics did I say I want to introduce now? Hmm?
uh, you're talking
You are not
about.
listening. Regular expressions. I just said it now. Regular expression. So
Yeah,
the
but I don't
R
get to
stands for
when.
regular. Did you hear me? The R stands for
Oh,
regular.
oh, okay,
The
okay.
E stands for expressions. Do you understand now?
Regular, regular expression.
Regular expression, yes. So so let's so that's the first thing you do. Just type import, just like you did math, but this time you say import RE. Two of them together, RE. It's lowercase, please, not capital letters. I think in Python, all the module names are in lowercase. You can hit enter.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So um let me send you something in the chat box that so that you know what to type for the next few ones. So let's say str is assignment operator, assignment operator. Uh, the- okay, assignment operator. Today is Thursday. Excuse me.
Let's see.
Yeah, today is Thursday, and then um, you see this thing that I'm sending to you, right? I think it would be better that you know where the character is. Okay. I think it will be better that you know where the character is. So I'll suggest that even though you copy and paste, but you will also type it just to be able to be sure that you know where the character is. It should be shift 6. Don't worry, when I finish, I'm sure you will understand what I'm saying. All right, take a look at what I sent. Hello, Simeon, can you see what I sent?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Of course, don't forget to print X. Okay, so would you say that you know what we will even do? Let's see. It looks like that X is an object. So instead of just saying print X, try print X dot. Let's see if there are things under that X. You understand? Print
Yes, sir.
X dot.
Okay. Print,
Yeah. You understand what I'm saying, right?
print
Uh-huh.
X dot.
Let's see if there's something under it. Okay. Okay. Scroll down. Let me see. I can see RE there.
Yeah.
Yes. But don't select it. Let me just scroll down. Let's see everything that's available. Then I'll tell you which one to choose. Okay. Okay. Uh, okay. So I think I understand. Okay, so it shows us everything. Hmm. Okay. Okay, so yeah, it's fine. I think it just speaks everything. Okay, do the pick the RE. Let's see. It should print, it will just speak that X dot RE. Yeah. So let's see what it will show. Close your parentheses and print and hit enter. Okay, so that's it. It's just the this thing that we put. Now you see that first sign that came before today. Can you look for it on your keyboard? Can you check if you will find it on your keyboard? I want to be sure that you
And
can
which
find
one?
it. That first one before the today, the one before today. Have you seen it?
With
That
the arrow.
symbol. It's not like the arrow, the one that is pointing upwards. It's called the caret. Look for it on your keyboard. Can you find it?
Let me look for it.
It should be among the first row of keys on your keyboard. First or second row, the one that has numbers. So look there.
Uh, yeah. Wait.
Have you seen it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
No. Okay,
Yeah.
yes, that's it. Correct. So that's what I was saying, that in case you want to find out, that's fine.
Hmm.
Okay. All right. So let's look at some other functions. So this function that we just did now is the regular expression search method, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do another one that helps us to find
Another
all
one.
matches. So let me send you something in the chat box. Just hold on. So your string is today is Thursday, right?
Yes, sir.
So let me see something that occurs more than once. T O T H. There's T O. There's T H. Okay. Okay. It's similar to that. So we're going to just say X assignment operator RE instead of dot search. We'll have dot find all. Okay. I will find all that looks like CO. So let's see what it's going to say. Okay. All right. So just see, it's not a difficult this thing, thankfully. So go ahead and see what I sent.
Okay.
Don't forget to print X. Simeon, did you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Go hit enter now and print X.
Oh.
Okay. So you can see it only showed 2 because 2 occurred one time, right?
Yes, sir.
Let's change our str and spice it up a bit. So can you just choose any string of your choice that will have a pattern in more than one place? Maybe something, something different. Today is Thursday, and it's a good time to stop something, just come up with something, Sha. Anything you want. A string that will have several patterns in it. Then we will now search for it so that we'll see how it shows up. Let me see. STR. Today is, instead of using today is, okay, and we can still use today is. Are you thinking of something? Huh?
Something about what?
I just
A
asked
name.
you to think of something. Now come up with a sentence for STR, something different instead of just today is Thursday.
I like playing football.
I like playing football. It doesn't have, is there any repeated pattern there?
No.
Just, okay, you can add something today. I like playing football. So that I just want something to repeat in it. Let me see if I can help you with it. I like playing football.
I like playing football. Football is fun.
Playing football. Okay, football is fun. Football is fun. Okay. Um, hmm. Okay. Let's see. So football occurs 2 times, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So see what I'm sending. According to how you said it, oh, you said I like playing football. Football is fun. So the first football has small letter F. The second one has capital letter F. Look at this. Look at the chat box and see what I sent, and see if you can work with that. I'm even looking whether I can see another pattern that repeats itself. I can see another pattern. Football is fun. I like I
Like playing
I say,
football. It's fun.
okay. So do you understand what to do with this now? You call that find all again, the same way we did. REX assignment operator, RE dot find all. But this time, this thing
So what did
is
you say?
football.
So what did you
You,
say?
re you repeat the RE dot find all method.
RE dot find all method. Okay.
Yes.
So X equals RE dot find all all. Do I have to do
Then
football or
yes,
I?
yes. Football. Then we'll do
In
I
small
later.
letter or capital letter?
Anyone. Don't forget the str, comma,
STR.
str. Yes, because that's what you wanted to search. Find all the instances of football in str. So let's see what it will say.
Print X.
Yes,
Football.
print F. It's only one it found. Do you know why it probably found only one?
Because there's a repetition of football, but they're like spelled, not that like they're spelled different, but they're like written different from each other. Like one has capital
Exactly.
letter and the other does not.
Yes, yes, that's exactly what is happening there. So if we want to see, let me see if I can um if we can, I'll show you what we can do if um maybe let's say you have you don't want it to be in a particular pattern. Okay, so that means whether it is capital letter or small letter or so, it has to be the same. So now do it for I. do the find all for I instead of football. This time you are doing I. Let's see what it will show.
As well. That also you can do it for F.
Okay.
Three
Okay.
eyes.
Do you know why it showed us three eyes? Look at the string. Let's see whether you can find
Because
out.
there's three different eyes with small letters.
Mm-hmm. Yes, that's it. That's it. Okay. So you know what I'm thinking we can do? Do that re dot find all again and repeat it for football. Let me see if we can do something here with this. X, go ahead, just put your X assignment operator, re dot find all. Then I'll tell
Yes,
you
sir.
what to do. Re dot find all.
Is this
Uh-huh.
lost order?
I don't, it's cannot, have we done 2 hours yet? Open the
I don't know.
parentheses. Then football in quotation marks, of course. Then put your comma. Let's see. No, put a comma. Let's see what it will show us next. Does it show us any flags to use?
No.
Doesn't show us the flags to use. Okay, put the STR.
I should put the STR.
Yes, STR, the string that you want to search. Then put a comma. Let's see. Put another comma after the STR. RE dot ignore, and then put RE there again, dot ignore. Let's see if there's anything like dot. Okay, ignore case. Have you seen it? Capital letters. You must have noticed it. No, no. You have to use the distance. If not, you will mess it up. Okay. Yes, ignore case. Okay. All right. Hit enter. Let's see.
Vou te explicar. Onde é que você
Huh?
tem?
With comment. Which
Getting so he's not focused on the class, so he's playing Wombish.
He's playing what?
don't know everything.
Simeon, I'm going to
Okay,
get
so
to the root of whatever it is that you are doing. Oh. You know that I'm not going to just take that what you are doing lightly at all. I'm not going to take it lightly. So you feel me? I'm just wasting my time, Abby.
I'm not even playing game.
Don't worry, I'll find out. Hit enter and then print X. Let's see what it will show us. So what did you notice?
And you put ignore cases, ignore the upper case.
Ignored the uppercase and showed us all the instances of football, both the one that has small letter and capital letter. Okay, so I'm going to equally now that's what you see that the first time we called find all, you notice it was only football, the string that we're supposed to find all instances of it, and then the name of the variable that we're supposed to search, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So, but then now this one has three arguments, and the third one being what? The one that's saying how we should look for it. Should we ignore case? Should we do this? Should we do that? And this is just a good instance. So some you will have to understand that some methods sometimes can have only two arguments, eh? And they will work well. And some other times, those same methods can have how many arguments? Three arguments, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And they will work slightly differently from the way they will work, but they will still do the same thing they were meant to do. Even that search, there are some other things we can do with that search, to even with this ignore case, as you are seeing it like this. Uh-huh. So you see that we can fine tune our methods, our regular expression methods, so that they can show us what we want at any given time, and that will help us to fine tune our work. So this is the ignore case um, um, flag. So that's what it does. Basically, it's supposed to be a what do you call it? Case insensitive. Always remember that. Case sensitive is the opposite of case insensitive. And case sensitive simply means what? It checks, it's conscious of what? Capital letters and conscious of what? Small letters. So that's a good example for find all. Let's see another example for find all. Let me see. Okay, now what do you think will happen if we don't have any of those things found? What do you think will happen? Let's give it a try. So let's look at that string that you put there. I like playing football. Football is fun. So let's ask it to look for something that has letter D. Okay, can you do that? Just call your re.find all, and then you can put letter D there instead of football. So you are looking for letter D. We're very sure that letter D is not there. Let's see what it's going to return.
Use this.
Did you notice that it shows an empty list?
Yes, sir.
So good enough. It doesn't give us an error, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's go back to the search function. Let's see, we can search things like for white space character. Let's see where that happens. So do your re.search again. Don't worry, let me type what you would do. um, re dot search. So you just copy and paste. SCR. All right, can you see what I sent?
Yes, sir.
Please go ahead and copy and paste it. Sorry, I forgot to put X assignment operator. So please put that X assignment operator before that. Okay, so now let's try and see if we can make sense out of this. Um, that's backslash S is white space, and white space is all the space is in between the letters in a string. For instance, I space like space playing space football full stop space. Okay, so all those things are the white. That's what I'm calling white spaces. So let me see. It's does it show any match? Okay, so it saw some matches. Span 1, 2. Okay, can we make sense out of that? Okay, so now this time let's say instead of printing X, print X dot start. Let's see whether it's going to show us where it starts from. Print X dot start. Yeah, print X dot start. Yeah, it's a method though. No, it's a method. So you have to open and close. Yes, then. Okay. So it starts from 1. Now, can you guess where the where where the 1 is? Why did it say 1? Hmm? Why did it say 1?
I don't know.
You said you don't know.
Yes, sir.
Look at the string now. The string that you put starts with letter I, right?
Yes, sir.
So when you put the positions, every string starts with what position, with what index? Hmm? What index does every string start with?
Um,
The question I asked now, is it a difficult question? What index does every string start with?
um,
Hmm?
uh, uh,
When we were talking about arrays, we said arrays always start from a particular number in terms of the positions of the characters. What did we say is the first position in any array? The position of characters. What's the number for that? Hmm?
um,
Simeon, what are you saying now? I can't hear what you're saying.
What is
Huh? What did you say?
is it what does every string start with?
I'm asking you a question. You're asking me another question.
Yeah, I'm asking for the question again.
What is the position that every string starts with? What is the number of the character of where every string starts? Every string or array. You're the one that is keeping us longer on this class. If you can just answer questions quickly, we might get further than we are done instead of spending time on one concept.
What number does every number?
When you are counting characters in a string and you're counting their position, what number do you start with?
0.
And then why are you stuttering? Why is it that you could not answer that simple question since?
You can see it. What of
You didn't do what?
nothing.
Now, just to be sure that you understand this concept, let's try another string where the first white space is not in position 1, because the idea is that I is 0. Then because of the space comes after I, that space is in position 1. So let's go back to that today is Thursday string. So just copy that line and paste again. Then we'll do this search again on it and then print x.start.
What?
Did you get what I just said?
No.
Simeon, quickly do this thing now. You're the one wasting time now. Copy that line that says today is Thursday and paste.
Okay. What should
And
I
you
do
know, I
after?
warned you, I told you that anytime we're having class, you should share your whole screen. You think I cannot tell what you're doing, Abby?
My screen is shared.
It's fine. I'm going
It
to get to
is.
the root of this. I've told you, I'm going to, I know you, it's me that you're playing games with.
My screen is shared. Everything is shared.
Simeon, please copy that search, the last search that we did. Copy it and then paste to. Your screen is shared.
It is shared.
Please hit
So there's
enter
no
and print x.start again.
um,
We're printing it. I didn't say you should just do x.start. You have to print.
okay, so
It's a method, for goodness sake. Was that how you did it the first time? Hit enter. Let's see what it will show.
life.
So why do you think it's showing 5 now? Based on the understanding of what I just explained for the first one.
It's
Why,
like
why is it showing 5? Remember, that search with that /s is saying look for all the white spaces, right? Look for all the white spaces. So when after looking for all the white spaces, x.start is going to tell us the position of the first one that it has found. So yes, I'm listening. Why is it showing 5? You can use the string and explain. Today is Thursday.
because 5 is where the white space is.
Count it now. Show me that 5 is where the white space is.
1, 0, 1,
Uh-huh.
2, 3, 4, and white space 5.
Better. Okay. So I think we can stop here for today. We'll continue on Saturday. Any questions?
No, sir. No, sir. I have no questions.
Okay. So on Saturday we're meeting at 2 o'clock your time, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So
Yes. Bye, sir. Have a good rest of your day.
okay, you too.
What should I say with us?
Introduction to regular expressions. I think that's it. What we did.
Mm,
Introduction. Check your spelling of introduction.
Oh,
Uh-huh. There's no D. Introduction.
sorry.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Have a good rest of your day.
Okay, you too.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye.